friends, myself Smita teacher. I am going to teach EVS 2 lesson number 1. EVS 2 textbook you have to open. How we came to be, Environmental Studies part 2. This textbook you have to open. Page number 1, lesson number 1. Take out page number 1, lesson number 1. What is history? In this lesson we are going to learn history, a science that tells us about events in the past. Point second, the scientific method of history. Point third, history and us. Point four, the past and the future. In this lesson we are going to finish these 4 points. We are going to learn these 4 points. I am going to highlight hard words. You have to find its meaning and write it in your EVS 2 notebook. Point first, history, a science that tells us about events in the past. Last year in standard 4th, we studied the life of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and his mission of establishing Swaraj. The time before the birth of Shivaji Maharaj was about 400 years before. Now, or in other words, the time 400 years ago. 400 years before means 400 years ago. You have to find the meaning of mission and establishing. So last year we have learnt about Shivaji Maharaj and his life stories. Why he had established Swaraj. What is meant by Swaraj? All these things we have learnt last year. But what is actual meaning of history? History means a science that tells us about events in the past. In tenses we know there are main three tenses, which are past, future and present. So the past events means, suppose now you are in 5th standard. You just ask your parents, how did you celebrate your first birthday? That is your past event. The history means a science that tells us about events in the past. That is called as history. For our convenience, we divide time in different ways. Often we use words like now, some time ago, after some time, or today, yesterday, tomorrow, or this year, next year, etc. When we use these words, we are actually measuring time in our minds. Now, today, and this year are terms that indicate the present. Present means now. We are learning history, first lesson of the history. This is the present tense. Now, to show present, we use now, today, this year. To measure the time, the means or units to measure the times are minutes, second, hours, day, today, yesterday, year. These are the units to measure the time. Some time ago, yesterday, last year are the terms that indicate the past. After some time, tomorrow and next year are the words that indicate the future. In short, I am going to tell to indicate the present. Which words we can use? Yeah, it's true. Now, today, this year. To indicate future. Which words we can use? After some time, tomorrow, next year. And to indicate the past, we can use yesterday, last year, some time ago. Okay, now we will take next paragraph. In next paragraph, what is there we will see. The time that has already gone by is the past. The time which has gone, it is called as past. I have given you one example. You have to ask your parents, how did you celebrate your first birthday? That is the event in the past. The time we are in now is the present. You are in 5th standard. This is your present. The time that is yet to come is the future. Next year you will be in 6th. It is your future. The past includes many events that have already taken place. For example, if you are 10 years old today you are 10 years old. It means that the event of your birth happened 10 years ago in the past. Similarly, after 10 years from now, that is, in future you will be 20 years old. The time gone by between today and the day of your birth is your past. The past in the life of a person. See, it is the best example to understand past and present, future. See here, when you were a baby, that is your past. The day of birth, you can see your photographs also. Past means the event which has taken place, which has gone already, that is called as past. 10 years ago. Present, we are 10 years old. Today you are 10 years old, that is your present. Future, after 20 years, we shall be 20 years old after 10 years. That is your future. Sorry, by mistake I said after 20 years. After 10 years, we shall be 20 years old. Now turn the page number 2. The science that tries to understand past events is called history. What is meant by history? The science that tries to understand past events is called history. So today is your activity. In EVS 2 notebook, you have to paste your 1 year photo. Your age must be 1 years old. That photo you have to paste, and today's photo, that means after 10 years. Your photo of 1 year, 5th standard photo, and what you wanted to become. Suppose you wanted to become a doctor, write here doctor word, otherwise teacher, whatever you wanted to become, that picture or word you can paste here. Okay, this is your activity and your homework. I have told you, you have to find the meaning of hard words which I have highlighted. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.